Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
We are fine, indeed.
Fine, thank you. Today we shall discuss about the long questions and answers of the 10th class English poem The Village Song, written by Sarojini Naidu, and the questions and answers that are published by Orissa BSc Board in the name of a book, Parikha Darpana. Could you understand? Now let's begin with the question number 1. The name of the poem is The Village Song, long questions and answers. A. Which is the poet who is the poet of a village song? Give a brief description, Sankipta Vivarani, about the poet. This is a poet. Right? Poet. Yes, answer. Sarojini Naidu is the poet of a village song. She was born, this is born, she janma hoitile, born in Hyderabad on February 13th, 1879. She was a child prodigy, understand, freedom fighter and a poetess, like Kavi. Nari Kavi. She gave up her literary career. He gave up her literary career to join the freedom struggle. Freedom struggle means what? Swadhinata Sangrama. Literary Sahitya Kruti Jivana. Give up Tyaga Kali to join the freedom struggle led by Mahatma Gandhi. She was the first Indian woman to become the president of Indian National Congress. She was the first woman to become the governor of Uttar Pradesh. She was popularly known as the Nightingale of India. She passed away in 1949. So next question is, that is question number 2. Who does honey child refer to the poem? Refer to in the poem Village Song, and why? Honey child refers to a young daughter in the poem Village Song. The mother of the young daughter loves her very much. A child is always lovable to her mother, sweet to her mother. Similarly, the mother always takes care of her children. As she is sweet to her mother, that is why, or the mother in the poem Village Song is calling her daughter lovingly as honey child. Could you understand? So that is why the mother in the poem Village Song is calling her daughter lovingly Ardorare as honey child. Next question is question number 3. Who are the speakers, Bhakta ke, in the poem Village Song? What do they talk about? Ko vishayare katha hochundi. The speakers Bhakta in the poem Village Song are a mother and her beloved daughter. They talked each other about marriage, Vivaha vishayare. In the poem, a mother wants to see her daughter's happy married life. But the young girl does not wish to get married. She vivaha hebaku chahu nahi. In this poem, the mother persuades. In this poem, the mother persuades. Her daughter to marry. What in reply? The daughter does not want to marry. Reply. This is a reply. The daughter does not want to marry because she says that a married life is full of unhappiness. वैवाहिक जीवन दुखपूर्ण. Number 4. Who does the mother question? Oh, sorry. Thank you. That's like a goodbye. What does the mother question to the daughter in the poem, village song? The mother puts different questions to the daughter in the poem, village song. गुड़ाए प्रश्न पचारुछि. The mother asks her where she is going. The mother wants to know that whether she would cast all her jewels and leave mother. सबू cast all her jewels means सबू तार गहना अलंकार सब त्याग करी ता माँ को छाड़ी हु हैज फेड ए डेलीशियस जी ता माँ ताको जी कि स्वादिष्ट खाद्य खुआई अमृत पान करछि करे दीछि ताकू छाड़ी दाकू से प्रश्न पचार. The mother also asks her whether she would leave the lover in grief. दुख रे छाड़ देबे कि दुख दुर्दशा छाड़ देबे कि who is coming to marry her जी कि ताकू विवाह करछि. Next question is that is 5. Where does the daughter want to go? कुआडे जाऊ चाहछि and why काहेकि. Yes. The daughter wants to go to the wild forest. जंगल पळिया चाहछि. She does not want to get married. विवाह करियाकु चाहू नाही. She wants to stay back in the village which is surrounded by natural beauties. She never wants to leave the forest where champa birds are blooming and the rivers are frequently haunted by quails. These rivers and lakes are full of lotus and lilies. Lotus, padma phulo, lilies, kami phulo. The music of nature attracts. प्रकृतिर संगीत ताको आकर्षण करुछि. Here to go to the wild forest. जंगल नहीं जाओ. Next one is 6. Question number 6, that is what are the beautiful sights of the forest mentioned or उल्लेखित in the poem Village Song. In the poem Village Song, the poet mentions उल्लेख करछन्ति various beautiful sights of the forest. The beauty of wild forest is enhanced by समृद्ध होइछि by champa birds, champa कढ़ which are blowing on the champa boughs. जो गुड़ाक दोहरुछि चंपा डालरे. Bow means डाल. The rivers and the lakes are full of lotus and lilies. This place is frequently visited by quails. कोइली माने सेटा बारंबार आसुंदी. Frequently बारंबार. The music of streams, झरणार संगीत, birds and wind, पवन पक्षी झरणार संगीत attract आकर्षण करुछि, attracts the girl very much in the poem. Next one is number 7. How is the world full of happiness according to the mother? According to अनुसारे the mother, the world is full of happiness. ए संसार सुखपूर्ण. Right? She tells her daughter about the joy of bridal song, cradle song, and sandal center leisure. The mother has also kept silver and saffron glowing bridal robes. Silver रौप्य saffron आमर जोड़ा गैरिक ग्लोइंग जाजुल्यमान ब्रिडाल रफुले विवाह ये कन्या. She has made वैवाहिक विवाह पोशाक ब्रिडाल robes means. She has made bridal cakes for her daughter's marriage. The celebration of marriage and the happy moments with the family after marriage are enjoyable. आनंददायक. Question number 8. The daughter of the sun. Today, wind of death tomorrow. Ajiro. Sorry, the laughter. Why did I say daughter? I said daughter. It's actually. The laughter हस आनंद खुशी of the sun today. आजिर सूर्यंकर आनंद Wind update tomorrow. Yes, this is tomorrow. Explain it. The daughter does not want to marry. विवाह करिया चाहुनी. So she tells her mother that the bridal songs and the cradle song have pleasure, but they are short-lived, क्षणस्थायी. Today the sun shines brightly with joy, but it will get dark after that. So she rightly replies that today's happiness is going to die soon. Yes. The material beauty never lasts. चिरदिन स्थायी हुई रुए नहीं forever. It is the beauty of nature which is eternal. Eternal चिरस्थायी, eternal. This is eternal. Eternal. How does the mother arrange the marriage for her daughter? The mother is very much anxious about her daughter's marriage. भारी उत्कंठित ता झीर बाहागर पाई भारी व्यस्त विब्रत. She wants her daughter to get married and settled. बाहाव घर संसार करिवो. So she always feeds her good food and loves her very much. She has arranged silver and saffron glowing bridal dresses, विवाह पोशाक, and kept bridal cakes on the hearth means chuli, for her marriage. Other things which are necessary for her marriage, like ornaments, clothes, and food, have also been arranged. जोगाड़ है सजा है for her marriage. Next question is 10, and that is like this: why does the daughter refuse to marry? Answer: the daughter refuses to marry because in her opinion तार मत अनुसारे marriage brings happiness but it is temporary. विवाह आनंद आणुची किंतु यह क्षणस्थायी अस्थायी. On the other hand, she finds peace and happiness in the world forest. जंगल से अन्य पक्षरे जंगल से खुशी आनंद पाउची विथ नेचुरल ब्यूटीज प्राकृतिक सौंदर्य एंड नेचुरल म्यूजिक प्राकृतिक संगीत. शी वांट्स टू स्टे बैक एट द विलेज टू एंजॉय दीज एसेंशियल ब्यूटीज ऑफ द नेचर होल लाइफ. एट द विलेज नो, शी वांट्स टू स्टे बैक एट द विलेज to enjoy no, it is not a village, it is perhaps okay, you will see it whole life forest. समग्र जीवन सारा जीवन. Question number 11: is it necessary for the daughter to get married? Support your answer. Yes, it is necessary for the daughter to get married. विवाह पड़िबो because marriage is an important event in a personal life. Society needs it. This is a social duty. This is a part of a social life. Yes, right. Human life faces two different sides of life, that is happiness and unhappiness. We find happiness by removing all the odds in our life. Then a life would be enjoyable. Again, a daughter needs to get married first for some sustenance and help. Second, to keep the society alive forever. Could you understand? With this, that is the end of today's English class. We shall discuss the other questions and answers of other poems and other proses of 10th class English in our next classes. Till then, bye. Thank you.
It's okay.